Hello everyone. I am Madhav Yadav from IM3G and today I'll be talking about the problem of unemployment in India. India's employment situation is bad. The current unemployment rate is the highest in last 45 years. The unemployment among urban youth that consists of people of age from 15 to 29 years is alarmingly high at 22.5%. The high unemployment rate are but just one of the problem with India's employment scenario. The uh, labor force participation rate has come down to 46.5% for those who are 15 years and above. A large proportion of the employed workers get low wages and are stuck in employed poverty trap. While structural factors are responsible for high unemployment rate, the current slowdown has made things worse. There is enough evidence to show that the economic slowdown is the result of decline in demand. Aggregate investment has fallen below 30% of the GDP, a rate much lower than the 15 years average of 35%. More recently, private consumption has also declined. Another major reason behind the unemployment situation is GST cost distress among SMEs who employ more than 11 crore people. GST has generated inverted duty structure for many products whereby the tax on raw material is higher than on the finished product. Such an imbalance reduces competitiveness of SMEs and increases cost of capital for them. Annually, around rupees 20,000 crore get stuck with the government in form of input tax credit. The tax has raised the cost of doing business for SMEs that act as an agent for other businesses. In addition, GST on export of intermediary service reduces their competitiveness. These anomalies in GSTs need to be addressed without delay. Decline in construction and related activities in an urban area is a serious concern. These activities employ more than 5 crore people. The government should aim to revive construction activities in real estate and infrastructure sectors. These sectors directly or indirectly support economic activity in other 200 odd sectors. Let's see what can be done by government to help solve the issue of unemployment. Government should focus on reviving demand. In rural India, especially the small and marginal farmers, the landless labor spend most of its income on wide range of goods and services. So an increase in disbursement through PM Kisan and Manrega can provide much needed boost to demand. In medium term, rural unemployment can be reduced through enhanced government spending on irrigation, rural roads, cold storage, and logistic channel chains, crucial for integrating farms with mandis. Another important source of employment is housing product. Here, too many projects are caught up in dispute. The bailout funds for the sector should be put to use immediately to salvage all the projects that are 80% completed and are not under NCLT process. To boost demand, the government can raise limit for affordable housing for the purpose of tax exemption on housing loans. Finally, to reap the demographic dividend, there is need to invest in skilling of youth. In future, most jobs will come from private sector that prefer candidates with practical skills and work experience. The government can incentivize companies and industrial unit to provide internship and on-site vocational training to unemployed youth. At last, government should fill the large number of vacant posts. Estimated estimates suggest that there are more than 22 lakh vacancies in government departments. The country cannot afford this neglect at the time when unemployment rate remains very high. Thank you.